For today's video, mayroon akong isi-share na 2 investment options kung saan ko nilagay ang 2 million pesos ko. So what I'll be sharing is my personal experience para magkaroon kayo ng idea ng other investment options na pwede niyong i-consider if you are planning to invest or if you are planning to diversify your investment portfolio. Ang unang isi-share ko ay ang time deposit. Ang time deposit is a type of investment in which you deposit your money for a fixed period of time. And then yung bank will pay you a fixed interest rate which is higher than regular savings accounts. Naglagay ako ng 1 million pesos sa Security Bank noong 2019. 5 years ang holding period and then fixed rate siya as 5% per annum. And then monthly payout ng interest, direct deposit yun sa Security Bank account ko. This fits my investment goal kasi maprepreserve yung capital ko and at the same time, meron akong monthly cash flow. Yun lang, 500,000 pesos lang ang insured ng PDIC. Pros of time deposit. Low risk siya, protected ang capital mo. It offers a guaranteed return on investment dahil fixed ang interest rate. And higher interest versus regular savings accounts. Flexible term options. Pwede kang pumili ng term that fits your needs and financial goals. Cons of time deposit. Limited liquidity. So nakalock yung money mo for a fixed period of time. Pwede namang i-pre-terminate pero may penalty. So 50% lang ng interest ang makukuha mo. And you also need to pay documentary stamp which is 1 peso for every 200 pesos na deposit if I'm not mistaken. Inflation risk. The interest rate offered may not keep up with the rate of inflation. No capital gain kasi fixed yung return. Time deposit is a good option for those who are looking for low-risk investments that offer guaranteed returns. Next is corporate bonds. Corporate bonds are a way for companies to borrow money from investors by issuing bonds. Pag nag-invest ka sa corporate bonds, ipapautang mo yung pera mo sa company. And then, in return, you will get regular interest payments. So, fixed rate din siya. And then, ibabalik nila yung principal mo, yung initial money invested, upon maturity. Medyo mas mataas ang risk ng corporate bonds compared to time deposits kasi higher din ang return versus time deposit. Naglagay din ako ng 1 million pesos sa corporate bonds dito sa SMC, San Miguel Corporation Global Power. And ang pinili ko ay yung pangatlong series with an interest rate of 7.6% per annum. Quarterly payout ng interest, direct deposit siya sa BPI account ko. Sa BPI ko kinuha itong SMC Global Power Bond. 7 years ang holding period. Magmamature yung nilagay ko sa April 2026. Pros of corporate bonds. Relatively low risk. Corporate bonds are considered to be less risky than stocks and higher interest rates versus time deposit and regular savings accounts. Corporate bonds also pay regular interest payments. So meron kang consistent cash flow. Cons of corporate bonds. Credit risk is one of the primary risks associated with corporate bonds. Corporate bonds are not guaranteed by governments. Ang risk dito ay pag nag-default ang issuing company. It's important to do your homework, research about the financial situation of the issuing company bago ka mag-invest sa bonds nila. Next is liquidity risk. Less liquid ang corporate bonds than stocks and other investment options. So it could be difficult to get your money back prior to maturity date. Inflation risk. The interest rate offered may not keep up with the rate of inflation. Higher minimum investment compared to other investment options like stocks or crypto, therefore less accessible siya to some investors. Bago ka mag-invest, it's important to do your research and choose investment options that fit your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends para makatulong din sa iba. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.